In this video, I'm going to show how to use the custom URL for drill through target. Watch my previous video to see how to use the drill through report to mobile report. To make the custom URL, just choose any of the visual and click the drill through target, and you can see custom URL. So before configuring that, we have to have a better understanding of custom URL first. So here I have some URLs on my list. So this is the basic syntax for the custom URLs. So report manager and folder name, report name and dataset name and parameter name and followed by the value. For example, lab is my report server manager and the report server manager reports SSRS, and mobile reports is a folder, and the category details is the report name, category palm is the dataset name, and category name is the parameter name, and the bytes is the value. So if I just copy paste this specific URL in my browser, so it is going to open a report passing this bytes as a input value to the parameter called category name. You can see. So like that, we have multiple options in case if you are playing with multiple parameters. We have to use AND operator in between those two parameters, or you can use multiple parameters on a single data set. Again, we can use the AND parameter. So this is like this only. And if you are playing with multiple values on the parameter, then you have to pass as like this: value 1, value 2, value 3. Then next one is starts with and again value 1, value 2, value 3. So this is how you need to have a better understanding on custom URLs. So once you are familiar with these URLs, alright, you can go to mobile report publisher and you can go to drill through target and click custom URL. So here I'm going to drill through from this report to the another mobile report using custom URL. As I said in my previous video, still you can configure a drill through from mobile report to the paginated report. So for paginated report, you have to get the URL, so which is almost similar as mobile report URL. So here this is the URL that I'm going to pass here. Instead of hard coding this value bytes, I'm going to pass the value from the chart. So I'm just going to delete this. Here you can see the output URL, and I'm going to pass the value as any of these fields. So we just need to click one time, it is going to be added. So once this is added, you can see the final output. So this is the URL, category name equal to key 1. Click apply and click preview. So if I see the report, I can see as it is. If I double click, it is going to open that report passing this value, selected value bytes. Right, so it is going to be filtered for bytes. Let us load this. Okay, or I can choose a different one. It is going to pass this time as components, and it is going to filter the data. So this is almost similar for paginated reports. You have to play only with the value for the parameters. Right. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.